It's like when you wake up, you look at the time, and I'm like, what the fuck? And then I was like, I'm starving. So I'm going finally to try McDonald's. But also, I still feel drunk. It's not good. It is not good at all. Right, I've ordered Big Mac, a cheeseburger, and a McFlurry. So, yeah. Oh, one of my favorite songs when Christmas comes. The One Breath Challenge, do you remember? I want you to know that I'll never leave you, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Baby, my home till our season. So come on, let's go. Just like that. We've got it. We've got it. Okay, so a Big Mac meal, large meal, a double cheeseburger on the side, and McFlurry, and it's all for like £7. Not bad. I feel like I can't be arsed today, honestly. I'm like, what fucking hell, like, come. I've decided to just walk a little bit. It's good after the food, and especially when I'm hungover. But I'll be back shortly, because I think I need a nap. I do really need a nap. Okay, and it's time to treat myself. Let's go. Okay, so laundry is left there, and I'm going to eat to the place where I was, like a mountain view. Also, that's the shirt I bought yesterday. Yesterday I was dying, so there was not much happening, but today I'm good. Road trip, and I'm returning to the beach after my son fly by, right? So I'm feeling like it's kind of like going away. It's still itchy, but not as bad. So I'm just like, right, I'm brave enough to go back to the beach. So I just stopped there because look at that. Yeah, so that's my baby. And yeah, so it's about an hour, but I'm like not far away. It's like 20 minutes left. That's so gorgeous. I'm back at the beach. It looks pretty. It's just the sand. Like, I think it's a lot of like seaweeds in there. But apart from that, all good. So there is this like another kind of beach, and I think this one looks better, but it says like a 50 pesos entrance, which is, why not? It is time for a dip. Here looks like less sea weeds. It's like clear up until like further away, wherever like the dark bit. Let's go. Hi! Hi! Hello! Hi. Hi. Are you okay? Are you okay? How are you? You okay? Hello. Oh, guys, don't fight. No, it's just my cap, okay? Leave it. No, 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 leave it. Hi. So I've just got some cold water and I'm gonna head back. So I spoke with a lady over there. So basically they've got like a different parking because I came there, so I paid like 50 pesos for parking, but then I walked here and it's like a private beach, so I had to pay 50 pesos for the entrance, which is like if I come other way, like to drive just a little bit further next day, so I can just park there and then it will be just 50 for the entrance and included the parking and stuff like that. And then you do have food and things like that, so I think that's gonna be my plan tomorrow, because also you can walk to the island there in the morning, but we'll figure it out tomorrow. Let's head back before sun goes down, okay, before the sunset, because I'm not keen to drive when it's dark, but I've still got plenty of time, so it's enough. But just to be safe, you know, just to be safe. I don't know, am I gonna come back here maybe tomorrow, just because I could spend like a longer, because it was so quick. Usually I spend there like an hour and then that's it, because I need to get back before it gets dark, because it looks pretty and I really want to walk to that other island, so we'll see. Hi. Hello. Oh, hi, gorgeous. Next time I'm gonna bring some treats, okay? I'm gonna come here next time, okay? I'll bring you some treats. It's okay, yeah, next time. I actually don't know how many times I waved and I said hi, because these kids, like, they were walking from the school or something like that, I don't know, but like with the bags probably, and then they were just like shouting and screaming and just like, hi, hi, I'm just like, hi. Honestly, it's just so cute, so adorable, like. So temperature at the moment is like 27 and I'm going, right, and I'm walking and I'm just like, it feels chilly. Because I'm like, where's that heat? Like, it's still warm. I'm just like, it's a bit chilly. Dinner time. Like, for a sweet treat, get some churros. Just 6 with the Nutella sauce. Here we are. My sauce, my churros. Happy. Very productive today. Laundry collected. All good. And then gonna go get some, gonna bring this back, gonna get some coffee, and then I am thinking of going to the waterfalls and doing like a loop, so, and then tonight gym, so let's go. Fresh bananas from there. I was literally just going by and I'm just like, right, I need something to eat, so got my bananas. And I mean, the scenery is like that, like, isn't it pretty? Time for banana break. So I don't know where to find those waterfalls, but I'm like, you know what? Still, there's quite a lot to see, so let's just go. So you stop here and you need to pay 200. It's the fee to go over there. Still on the road, still going. Oh, hi! There's so many of you. Look, they opened the gate. Oh wow, well done. So this is like the last bit, but the road is like very narrow and quite dangerous. So I don't know how long is it gonna be there, but I think I'm gonna lose a lot of time because it's nearly 2 o'clock now. So I went that way, but then there is also a path where I came from here over there. I went all the way there, and then it's also again like there is maybe like 3 different paths. So I went in the middle one, and then I met a local, and I'm just like, is the waterfall like that way? He's like, no, mountain. So I assume, because it goes up, I don't know if you can see it, but I assume it's gonna be there. Right, again, how do I know? Honestly, I'm just like 5 more minutes and I'm gonna give up. Right, I have parked here because I saw the sign. I came from that way and it's the sign, and it's like little house. So let's try and walk for a bit and see if we can find something. There's nothing, it's just empty. I'm not sure if I can hear it, but maybe. Well, we'll find out. Well, it does look like here is a path. But fuck knows where it leads to, you know. So many butterflies. It is like proper in the jungle, you know. And I can hear all sorts of things. I'm like, there's like birds, there are some animals in there, and yeah, and I can't hear the waterfall yet. I thought I did at the start, but I think I was just tripping because this is how much I just want to refresh. So I just started hearing things. So it's either the leaves on the trees making a sound like something like that, or there is a waterfall. Can't wait to figure it out. These spiders are sick. Like you can't see, there is like the whole spider's web. Oh no. No. I don't want to destroy it. I can officially announce that I can hear water. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but oh my god, it shouldn't be. I got stuck. Oh, it shouldn't be that hard. Like, come on. Honestly. And it's like spiders everywhere. I'm not afraid, but I'm like destroying their home when I'm going down like this. Whew. Not comfortable with sandals. I hope I'm gonna find the way back. Hope so. Right, so I can hear the water, but I can't see it. Oh, there's a little one. Okay, it's the right direction. That was a little snake. Right, so I saw a snake. What else? What else do I need? Until I... Oh my god, okay. I think it's there. Right, so I have to say that I see the river. It's going down. But there is no way I can get there. It's like no way. I'm not gonna go through there because it's very itchy and it's crazy. Well, that's a shame. Oh, it's so annoying, honestly. But I'm gonna go back. I'm not feeling particularly safe in the middle of a jungle on my own. You know? So let's go back. So I went that way, now I'm gonna try this way for the last time. Whew. Tired. Already tired. Nah, that's also like some bushes and stuff, so I can't go past. I don't know why, but it's a bit frustrating because I was so excited, and then literally it's like, oh fuck off. Honestly, it's like it took me for like about an hour to detour to the side from the main road, so now it's gonna be an hour go back, and it's gonna get dark, so not like right now, but I'm not gonna make it to the beach, so to like stay at the beach, so it's annoying. Like it's so annoying. Another stop. And I'm tired now after all this driving. So we just came here to eat. I've been here I think on my day one. A really nice place. Cheap if compared to that, and delicious. Well, it was last time, so we'll see. I've ordered 2 different things this time, so we will try. Yeah, very hungry. Very hungry. So this is a cute little cafe. I was craving something sweet, like it's just so badly, so I'm just like, let's go and get a waffle and some fresh juice to finish the day. Strawberry shake, fresh strawberry, tastes so good. It is so good. It looks so yummy. Oh my god.